Chapter 7, Lesson 2, is making symmetric figures and patterns. Okay, so here, what will happen is the kids will be given drawings and they have to figure out what would be the symmetric pattern to the drawing. So, ideally, what would be good here is to identify specific points and move it to the other side of that line of symmetry, rather than looking at the whole figure. So to demonstrate this, I've selected on page 126, problem number 3, letter C. Okay, so here, there's a drawing. Okay, so clearly my drawing is not perfect, but the idea is here. So this is the figure, and they have those as shaded. What they want you to do is to be able to find the other side of the line of symmetry. So if I were looking at this, ideally what you want to do is look at a point. So example, this point, if I move this way, that is reflected here on this side of the line. Okay, so which means this figure here, this box here, is technically reflected here. So that's its reflection. So you see, it reflects that way. So if you take that next one and you reflect, that's going to reflect here on this box. Okay, so again, you flip it, but you flip it one at a time. Don't flip the whole figure. So if I look at, again, this right here will technically flip onto here. So there's the symmetry of that, and this will technically flip here because that box is on the corner. So that means the symmetry of this pattern on the other side of the line of symmetry will be this. Now, again, this is a bit challenging at times. So if the kids will be looking at the whole figure all at one go, it's too stressful. So the idea is pick either a point or a specific figure and then reflect it over to the other side of the line of symmetry. It'll make it easier for the kids. That concludes Lesson 2 of Chapter 7, which also concludes the chapter. See you in the next